The fraudsters who run this organization think that you and me are fools. Who's gonna check our records? Even if they check, who's going to question? But here we are.
So, another video by String and another Break India force got exposed with all documented evidences. This time it's our own Aurangzeb's eternal lover, Mrs. Audrey Truschke. The orgasmic pleasure she feels for Aurangzeb is so strong that she dedicated a whole book on this barbaric monster, fascinating about him as charming prince. According to her, Maryada Purushottam Shri Ram was misogynist pig, but her orgasm donor Aurangzeb was very kind and capable sultan. We all knew that love is blind, but now we got enlightened by Mrs. Aurangzeb herself that lust is not only super blind but can create its own version of perverted history too. Believe me, Mrs. Aurangzeb has left even Bollywood far behind in irrelevance, mediocrity and pervertness. Just like we have brain dead Taimur lover, they have got Audrey as Aurangzeb lover. Both are monster lover, delusional and hungry for publicity. The only difference is that we know what Taimur lover worth of, but they don't. All said and done, from a monster to monster. But the problem is, this guy is allergic to bullshit and damn good in destroying the fraudsters. So, String exposed two malicious connections of Audrey Truschke. Number 1, the missionary connection, and number 2, the Pakistan connection. BIMI, Bless India Ministries Incorporated, is a Christian organization disguised as social organization with motto to spread Christianity in India. BIMI was founded by Nathan Rain, father of Than Rain, who is actually the husband of Audrey Truschke. This organization was providing funds to CKKMWA, Christ the King of Kings Ministries Welfare Association, from 2007 to 2010, which was registered under FCRA as social organization. But the financial records shows salaries paid to religious functionaries. BIMI continued funding CKKMWA till 2012, when BIMI provided a loan of $105,000 to pastors of CKKMWA, as shown by the tax return filed by the BIMI in the respective year. The purpose of loan was mentioned in the form to hire, volunteer and train people in Christianity to spread it across the new areas of India. So Audrey Truschke belongs to a family whose work is to spread Christianity. Hence, Audrey's work against Hindus, whether it's misinterpretation of Ramayana or calling Gita a manual for massacre, is quite justified, as she is just doing her work to alienate Hindus from Hinduism, so that path to conversion could be made easier. And those who even then don't get converted, the demonization of Hindus will be more than enough for a justified genocide. And what better platform she could get than dismantling global Hindutva to continue demonizing and alienating Hindus. To know more about our inside enemies who spoke in this Hindu-phobic conference, do watch this video. The link is given in the description section. Audrey's Pakistan connection. Audrey's husband Than Rain worked as summer intern at Human Rights Commission of Pakistan. Not only that, even Truschke herself got a fellowship course from AIPS, American Institute of Pakistan Studies. So that's how she got the inspiration of becoming Mrs. Aurangzeb.
You are a prostitute. People who are ready to do anything and everything for money are called prostitutes.